Welcome, Jigsaw Marketing Department. Come close to LaVonnawanna Dahlah so I can sense your inner spirit. Oh, yes, I sense some good news and some bad news. Yes, first the good news. Oh, I sense there will be an office competition. A new office competition. Ah, yes, the Tiddlywinks competition. Oh, yeah, prime your squeezers and prepare to blitz. Yes. Now for the bad news. Oh, poor Edelweiss. I see. Knocked out in the first round, yes. Oh, too bad, Edelweiss. Oh, I see crackers. Oh, yes, somebody must bring crackers, some wellies, for Crackers will lose his velvet slippers. Oh, too bad, Crackers. Criminal. Oh, Criminal has been at the Warrior's Hummus, and that has angered her so much that she may power through to victory. Oh, yes. Oh, dear Jigsaw Marketing Department, here is one final scrap of wisdom for your journey. Okay, competitors need to prepare a special place for their winnings. Oh, yes. Best to clear a wall to feature the beautiful work of art you will receive for your efforts. Oh, yes. Oh, it's so pretty. A picture of a pregnant cat in a dress.